Sometimes, the beauty of handmade products starts with a single sheet of paper. Join me as I draft the pattern for these beautiful female slippers. This is more than just shoemaking. It is passion, patience, and love for the craft. If you're just coming across my video, kindly like, comment, and follow me for more videos like this. Thank you.
Shoemaker, where you they come and fix my shoe. Shoemaker, where you they, I need you now. I call you because I know say now you feel fix out, nah nah. Shoemaker, where you they, I need you now. Shoemaker, where you they come and fix my shoe. Shoemaker, where you there, I need you. I call you because I know say now you feel fix out, nah nah. I know where you there, I know where to find you. Oh, 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 the points be saying I best you where go fix am, me I go call low. Cause now him sabi the thing well, well. I no go carry matter of shoe, go give a carpenter, nana, cause he knows sabi the work at all.
Carpenter, when you did come fix my chair. Carpenter, when you did, I need you now. I call you because I know say now you fit fix out. Nah nah. I know where you day, I know where to find you. Yes. Oh, the point be
We've come to the end of the pattern making process, and here is the final result. If you'd like me to make a video on how you can fix the stones by yourself with your pressing iron, kindly comment how to fix the stones, then I'll make a separate video for that. Thanks for watching.
Shoemaker.